Hello, Barry Anderson from Trade Ideas with today's edition of What Makes This Trade Great, and the aptly named UP. So UP is the one I've chosen today just to demonstrate. And why? Well, okay, a couple of things. First of all, we saw this in the pre-market. UP saw this in the pre-market. So of course, every time I'm looking at something that is doing this in the pre-market, I'm thinking, okay, why is it doing this? So I checked the news, and lo and behold, Goldman Sachs has decided to initiate coverage on this one, and with a $5 price target on it. Now, will it ever get to $5? Who knows? We don't really know, of course, but certainly interesting to me that Goldman Sachs would be even caring about some little company like this and initiating coverage. I mean, it's not like they had coverage before, and so initiating coverage and putting a $5 price target on it. Now, I want to see I want to show you kind of what happened here. Hopefully, this works. Just give me a moment. This may disappear, so just give me a moment. Didn't do what I wanted it to do. Just give me a moment. Okay. Well, what I wanted to show you is, I don't know why I can't get this out. Just give me a moment. One more. Here we go. That's what I wanted to show you. So you notice here that up, this is in our racing, okay? And this was right at the kind of at the beginning of the day. Biggest gainers from the open and this is what it looks like, okay? This is running all day long. The races are running all day long. And look at up. This is what it was showing me, and at the time, and I'm thinking, wow, okay. I mean, your eye is just drawn to this. And again, this is this racing feature Trade Ideas that we've got, and I have been kind of slow to embrace it, but I'm getting more and more into it now because it really can start to show you the ones that are really moving. It comes from a top list and kind of allows you to just focus. And that's what it was showing right here, okay? I'm sorry, right here. Remember, this is the 930 candle, and this is what it was showing. Before it pulled back, I mean, it got all the way up to 250 from about this $2 level. So, if you want the races that I've got, you just have to email me. You'll see right here. You will see there. Here's the email address you can use, and I'll send you the race that I'm using to find things like up, and and come into the trading room. And the trading room is free, no strings attached. We're open from 8 to 3:30. It should say 3:30 actually. 3:30 every single day, Monday to Friday. Well, not every single day, but Monday to Friday. So come into the trading room, demonstrating how you can use the races and other types of scans, okay? So have a great evening, everybody, and I hope to see you in our trading room tomorrow at 8 o'clock. Bye-bye.